All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. This is jimmymastery.com. We're going to go ahead and play another strategy here. Okay, we have a good amount here. All right, let's go ahead and continue. We got a lot of crap strategies for you guys. This is all educational tutorial. These are all my props for you guys. Here we go. We're going to get started, okay? Now, real quick, guys, I did lower the lowest that I would be willing to go here. I went with the gold. I got rid of the Mastery Club, and I made it called the gold because we have a bronze already where there's a lot of people on the bronze membership. So if you want to see the live, well, it won't be live. It'll actually be recorded where I'm at the casino and I'm doing real money at the casino. That starts tomorrow night. So Monday, all of the people who are gold members will be able to watch those videos on this channel. Okay, so you're going to have two separate type of content. Anybody that wants to watch this stuff for free, as you're doing so right now, will be all of the tutorials. These are all educational tutorials to show you different strategies and how to do money management and risk management. And then those of you that want to watch me at the casino, what you can do is get the gold membership. Only the gold memberships will be able to access that content. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. And I appreciate the support, by the way, for that. You guys have to be logged into your Google account and your YouTube account, and then you can go to my channel and you'll see members, and then you'll on the other side you'll see join. Just click on join and you can read about the gold memberships, okay? All right, let's go ahead and get started on our educational tutorial. Here we go. Okay, so that would be a 3-3. All right, so what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and do the 5 to, we're going to go to the 5 to the 3 system, okay? 5 to 3 system. Actually, let's go 6 to 3. 6 to 3. Okay, now basically what that means is we have a unit on every single one across the board, okay? And then what we're going to do is we're going to remove one every time we hit one. And if we get picked off, we're going to ladder it up. Here we go. Okay, not another bad start. Oh my God, what is going on with these crazy sevens on the start of these games? It's been really weird. I mean, it's like 3 days in a row that has happened on the first one. Okay, so we will roll again. There's a 4. Okay, we're going to go to level 2. Those will be 2 units on each one. Okay, that's a good one. All right, so what I like about that, guys, is you literally have came back already from your deficit. You're pretty much almost even again, just on one hit. So that's going to give you 1 black unit. Okay, and I'm going to go for 1 more hit. Oh, wait, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. That's not the strategy. That 10 is removed. I forgot we're playing 6 to 1. Okay, so we hit the 6. That's going to be 3 green. Okay, the 6 will be removed. Okay, there's a 6 again. 6 again. Okay, there's a 9. 3 units. Okay, we're going to remove the 9. Okay, so just like that, we have accomplished our 6 to 3. Okay, so what we're going to do here, guys, is we're going to go ahead. You can go ahead and bring this down now. You don't have to, but we're going to use our money management, okay? All right, here we go. We didn't get very far. Now, what I like to do when I have these three is when I hit one, I like to press to the new ones, okay? That's what I like to do. All right, no problem. Okay, that's a 4-4. Now we're back to level 1. So we'll just go 1 unit. Three. Hard 4. 2 green units. Going to remove that 4. There's a 6. We're going to remove the 6. Need one more. Boogeyman. Okay, now when that happens and you don't get to the 6 to the 3, where you don't get 3 left, if you don't have 3 left, you've got to go up a level. Okay? So we'll go 2 units. Six and a 2, that's an 8. It's a 9. 3 units. Okay, we're going to go ahead and be off. It's a 3. Okay, we are going to be on. Okay, we don't have that anymore. Perfect. Okay. All right, guys, we're going to remove that, and we have accomplished our goal. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to reduce right now. I'm always focused on money management, okay? Always money management. That is the key. This is this game is strictly a mathematical game. Every single time you play, you have to do it. Okay, there's the 6. 5, there we go. Okay, so here's how we're going to do it. We're going to go ahead and just start using this to add back. We didn't get very far again. Okay, now we were able to get all the way down to 3, so there's no need to go up. So we will stay at the same level. Okay, we're going to be off. Okay, here we go, guys. That's a nice one. 2 green. 1 more to go. And we accomplished it. Okay, we're gonna be off. Sometimes it's nice when your three are, two of your three are the 6 and the 8. But it doesn't really matter, because if you hit one, you're going to add those anyway. Those will probably be the first that you add. So now you're going to start to add again. So you're going to keep 2 units, okay? You keep the 2 red, and you just put the 1 unit of green. Okay, that was the 6. So we'll go ahead and press. Let's just press the 6 with that. Ah, we hit the 6. 3 units. All right, I'm going to go ahead and rack those 3 units. I got to give them 1 red unit. I'm going to rack those. Okay, there's a 4 and a 1, 5. Okay, let's go ahead and do, let's snag the 10. We'll rack 2 red units. 3, 4, 2 green units. Okay, now what I would do here is that is the perfect opportunity for you to go ahead and cash out. So what you want to do now is just reduce all of your units off of the table. Just not reduce, bring them all down. So what's happening is this was pure profit right here. So you're taking that, and now you have no risk whatsoever, and you've accomplished your goal on the strategy, and that's exactly what we're trying to do. We're just trying to have more units than we started with. That's the name of the game. Okay, I know it's not as exciting as somebody, you know, who's going and putting a whole bunch of units out there. Yeah, I'm not that type of channel. I'm a channel that's just doing educational ways for you to be successful, and that's just what I do. So that's going to wrap up another success. There's every single unit that we started with. And we're going to have a total of, we have 9 green units, 1, well, actually we got 10 green units, okay, 1 black, and a lot of red. So you guys can analyze that right there on how we did. There's nothing wrong with that. Okay, guys, so do me a big favor, hit that like button. This system, this crap strategy is a strategy that I invented called 6 to 3. You start across the whole board, get it down to 3. If you get in trouble, you just keep laddering up until you accomplish that. Anytime that you get to 3, you never have to go up a level. If you fail to get to 3, you have to go up a level. Okay? Now, if you're having a nice session and you're in profits and you don't get to 3 and you're still in a good profit, then it's not necessary to ladder up to the next level. So just use some common sense with it, okay? So before you guys go, smash that like button. It helps the algorithm in the channel. For those of you that have watched me before, you like the content, but you haven't taken a second to hit that subscribe button, go ahead and do so. And for all of you people who would like to upgrade, like for those of you that have bronze memberships, I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Go ahead and upgrade to the gold. That way you can see all of the action that is going to be coming on this channel. Remember, all of the type of videos that you just watched are always going to be free. You're always going to have those on the channel. Anything that comes from the home studio where I have all these props here for educational purposes, those will always be for free. The memberships that are going to show the other type of content on this channel, you have to be a gold member, okay? Also, guys, you can support the channel by going to jimmymastery.com, and you can go ahead and support the channel that way by getting the private strategies that are available on there, whether it is in the Craps side or the Baccarat tutorials. Either one will be perfect for you guys. Whatever, it depends on what your goals are and what your interest is, okay? I will have a new Baccarat video for you guys coming on Monday. I ordered some things. I got a pretty cool way of doing it for you guys, so I'm looking forward to showing you guys that on Monday. So all of my Baccarat guys out there that really support the channel and enjoy watching the Baccarat, that will be coming for you guys on Monday. You probably get that like Monday afternoon or Monday night. Okay? All right, guys. Thank you so much. And hit that like button. Thank you, guys. Take care. Good luck to you.